Okay, so one of the sheep turned up with what's called bottle jaw, which is when they have, it's a worm infestation and the worms are stealing so much of their nutrients that the sheep gets anemia and will die. So I went to the vet and got various things, and we will try and treat the whole flock. All right. Okay, so I had to sit down and figure this all out. I got what's called flucifer, and it's for barber pole worms. So we're gonna give them a drenching of that using this gun right here, which you attach the hose to the top of that jug, and then you give them all a big squirt in the mouth. And that should help. I've had to read instructions, which is against my nature, but we're trying to do this right. We also got some silence because I know we've got sheep itching in there, so they have either lice or keds or something. So we are gonna treat that while we got them all flocked up. And yeah, see what we can do here. It's snowing out. All right, so here we are gathering up the sheep. They're pretty pushy. Sheep are hard to chase, easy to lead. Oh, we got a few stragglers. Okay, we've got, just gotta shut the door. We got everybody just about flocked up in here, except for one straggler that Sarah's trying to lure in. Doesn't want to leave the llama's side, but we're trying. Okay, so this is how we work. You grab a sheep, you shove it into the side of their mouth. Come on now. And then you give them the dewormer, and then they swallow it, and then they get dewormed. And we go through the whole group, and then we give them a red dot if they've already been done, so they're not bleeding, it's just marking paint. And yeah, worm problem solved. So, okay, dear. Oh, so this is a treatment for lice and keds. You only need to get a few drops on their back, and that'll help take care of whatever is ailing them, making them itch. So we're just, they were too woolly to get them through the chute, so we're just doing them in the run here. Just trying to make sure everybody gets a dab or two. It's a bit of an imperfect science here, but yeah, it wouldn't be Fettis Farms if it wasn't an imperfect science. So Sarah's doing a heck of a good job. The sheep are sometimes bigger than she is, and she still manhandles them pretty good. We're lucky to have her here. We couldn't do it without her. Right, dear?
Sure.
Sure. There they all go. They all run out and head across back to the sheep pasture. Stop! Stubby! Sometimes young guard dogs get a little bit overexcited, and you really have to discourage the chasing of the sheep. They have to know that's not acceptable. And yeah, now the sheep go back to their bales. And oh, some of them are sneaking under the fence over there, but that's okay. We'll have to set up their pallets again there. Yeah, and that's them wormed, and I guess deloused is what you might call it, for lice and keds. And hopefully they feel much, much better now. All right, I gotta go give the wife a hand. Now, here they are. And it's like nothing ever happened. They are a little bit more shy of me, and they will be for a day or two. But now they can happily eat their hay and yeah, chill out, relax. They're looking good, I think. Now we're back in the house after deworming the sheep, only to find that the robots have taken over. Our time is over.